स्पीकर सर, खूबशे सगळे रुलिंगा आसले भरपूर तेमी सगळे आमचे ऑपोजिशनाचेर खूब उलयले आज की आमी मिटिंगेक येवंक ना, हे पार्टीचेर उलयले ते पार्टीचेर उलयले, भरपूर उलयले. आतांच टायम्स ऑफ इंडियाचेरय आमी उलयले, तोच टायम्स ऑफ इंडिया हांवें मागलो आनी तोच टायम्स ऑफ इंडिया क्लॅरिटी दिता की टायम फॉर गोवा टू टेक सायंटिफीक अप्रोच फॉर युटिलायझेशन ऑफ वॉटर. टायम्स ऑफ इंडिया आतांच एकले MLAन सांगलां. So it is saying that we have to take scientific approach for utilization of water. Number one point, since it has been brought from the ruling MLA itself. So that means, first of all, it has to be agreed. It has to be agreed that it is time that we have to take scientific approach. I will come back to this point. Secondly, Speaker sir, मादयाचो विशय सगळ्यांक खबर आहा आनी सगळ्यांक भंय दिसता. Why are we getting scared and why are we all getting worried? The worry is, सरकार आहा, हांगाय आहा, सेंट्रलाकूय आहा, आसतना आमकां गोंय खबर नासतना DPR अप्रूव जाता. हो व्हडलो प्रश्न, वरी. वेन दीस हॅज हॅपन्ड, इट इज अ वरी फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस की आमकां सांगनासतना गव्हर्मेंट हिंगा आहाच तेंगेलोच, आनी हो आसतना गव्हर्मेंट आसतना आमकां खबर नासतना जरी तो रेस्ट जाता, इट इज अ मॅटर ऑफ वरी. दुसरें स्पीकर सर, महाराष्ट्रा, water from Tillari is also already being lifted by Maharashtra. म्हणजे महाराष्ट्रान तिलरीसून उदक जें वयता तें ऑलरेडी तेमी डायवर्ट केलें. आतां आमगेले जो पॉयंट ए कालसा डायवर्जन आहा तेंवूय अनऑफिशियली पोंदींतल्यान तेमी एक टनल मारून तें उदक डायवर्ट जालें, हेंवूय ऑलरेडी उलयल्लें आहा. सो हें सगळें जालां. कोण उलयलो आमी कित्याक आजून पसून एक कनाल केलो ना, आमी कित्याक अरेंजमेंट केलो ना. सो ह्यो सगळ्यो वस्तू आमीच उलयल्याय आनी हो हुस्को आमकां जाता आनी हो हुस्को आमकां जावन आमी तेका लागून हें एजिटेशन अवेरनेस सगल्यांक कित्याक सांगूंक भोंवताय. आमी खूब शारांनी एनवायरमेंटिस्ट तेंकांय आमी ऑन बोर्ड घेतले. पूण स्पीकर सर, आज जो एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट आमी ऑन बोर्ड घेता तो जो एडवायज करता आमकां, आमी तें मानपा रेडी आसा. सगल्यांक मादय जायत, ऑल ऑफ अस वॉन्ट मादय, बट आर वी रेडी टू मेक शुअर दॅट दी मादय वायल्ड लायफ सेंच्युरी कॅन बी प्रिजर्वड? एंड इफ इट हॅज टू बी प्रिजर्वड, हाव हॅज कितकोन प्रिजर्व करपाची? रेजोल्युशन घेवन फकत कोर्टान जिको जाता? शुडंट वी टेक अ रेजोल्युशन दॅट मादय टायगर रिजर्व शूड बी नोटिफायड? हें रेजोल्युशन घेवची गरज आहा. And I think this is the first resolution which is I am proposing. Speaker sir, 3 गोष्टो 4 गोष्टो हांव आज हे असेंब्लींत मांडटा and I would like to keep it in the floor of the house. And Speaker sir, all these 4 points I would want to go for a division of votes in this house today. Besides the resolution, my first point is notifying forested areas of the Madai Wildlife Sanctuary as the Madai Tiger Reserve by excluding the human settlements, agricultural and horticultural fields for considering water security and protecting the natural habitat of the wildlife on the priority basis. This is my first point which I would like to go for a division of votes. Second, initiating research for understanding ecological implications of damming and diversion of the Kalsa Bandara Nallas on the fragile ecosystem of Goa by involving a panel of scientists working in the fields of botany, zoology, marine science and climatology. I would want everybody's diversion of votes also on this. Third point, abstraction of fresh water from the streams, rivulets naturally flowing in the direction of the Madai Wildlife Sanctuary. Je nalla Madai Wildlife Sanctuary intlan voita is against the principle of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. In this direction, necessary advice to be taken from legal seminarians against the claims made by Karnataka government that they are diverting the water of Madai and its tributaries for meeting the so-called drinking water needs of Hubli-Dharwad region under the pretext of National Water Policy of India. And my last 4th point is, though the Assembly of Goa unanimously will be passing the resolution to put forward by then MLA Victoria Fernandez that Goa is the water deficient state, however, no study so far have been carried out in this direction for last quarter century. When the award given by the Madai Water Dispute Tribunal comes from a review of 2048, there is a possibility that both Maharashtra and Karnataka will put the claims for the enhancement of water share for the Madai Basin. Speaker sir, ये 4 point आऊँ फ्लोरार मांटा, and I would like to go for a division of votes at the end of this discussion on my, especially my first point which I have put here. हे सांगून हांव म्हजी मांडणी कवर करता. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयता गोवा न्यूज.